Hello everyone, Amit Ora from EcoVisionaire. Continuing with the most expected series of Political Science Class 12th, Term 1. Today we have United Nations and its organizations. I hope you have already watched Cold War era and End of Bipolarity. The videos are very much in the playlist, so you can watch there and subscribe to the channel. Before we start with the questions of this chapter, we'll be discussing the topics to be covered given by CBSE. So we have three major topics to be covered, that is principal organs of UN, key agencies, उसमें ज़्यादा हमें जो नाम दिए हैं वो यूनेस्को, यूनिसेफ, WHO और ILO का दिया है. And very important part of the chapter is Security Council and the need for its expansion. So we are expecting 3 to 4 questions from Security Council. So let us see what are the important questions and most expected questions of this chapter. So first question is, how many countries are represented in the UNSC? UNSC here stands for United Nations Security Council. So there are 15 members, out of which 10 are non-permanent members and 5 are permanent members. Coming to question number 2, the present Secretary General of UN is Ban Ki-moon, Antonio Guterres, Kofi Annan or Shashi Tharoor. So Antonio Guterres is the right answer. Coming to question number 3, what is the prime objective of UN? Is it to maintain peace and security, or to maintain financial stability, or to encourage conflicts? So very easy and obvious answer, it is to maintain peace and security. Coming to question number 4, members in the race for a permanent seat in the UNSC other than India are, कौन सी country they claim that they can also be permanent members of United Nations Security Council. You already know we have 5 permanent members, that is USA, UK, Russia, China and France. So we are looking forward कि और countries को भी add किया जाए. So the correct answer here is Brazil, Germany, Japan and South Africa. So these are the countries जो claim कर रहे हैं to be added in the permanent member list. Coming to the wrong combination identification. So identify the incorrect combination. This is based on their headquarters. ये 4 एजेंसीज हैं यूएन की जिनके हेडक्वार्टर्स के बारे में दिया गया है. ILO is in Switzerland, the correct answer. UNICEF is in USA, UNESCO in France, WHO is not in London, I think it is in Switzerland. So the incorrect combination is WHO. Next question, identify the incorrect combination. Again, this is the year of establishment. UNESCO कब बना था? 1946, correct answer. ILO in 1916, correct. UNICEF 1948 is the incorrect answer. WHO was in 1948. So UNICEF was 1946. So 1948 is the incorrect answer. Coming to the next question, which organ of UN has been suspended on 1st November 1994 after independence of the last nation, that is Palau? So कौन सा organ अब discontinued है, suspended है, उसका काम नहीं है, although हमें पढ़ाया जाता है पर वो है नहीं. Economic and Social Council, Secretariat, not Secretarial, Trusteeship Council or International Court of Justice. The correct answer is your Trusteeship Council. So it does not work now. ये बनाया गया था जो कंट्रीज अभी आज़ाद नहीं हुई थी उनके ट्रस्टी की तरह, टू टेक केयर, बट आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ द लास्ट नेशन पलाव, दिस नो लॉन्गर इज इन ऑपरेशन. Coming to the next question, a veto can best be described as, veto refers to the power of 5 permanent members of the Security Council to veto any substantive resolution. Veto refers to special privilege given to the permanent members in terms of monetary benefits. No. Veto can be exercised by all the members of Security Council. No. Veto is a special power given to Secretary General of UN. No. So the correct answer is 1 first. ये 5 permanent members को एक power दी जाती है to say no or to veto any resolution, और उसको रोक सकते हैं पास करने से. Coming to question number 9. Which of the following is or are the proposed criteria for new permanent member of a Security Council? If tomorrow more members are added, so what will be the major criteria to be a permanent member of Security Council? Be it a major economic power, be it a major military power, or a big nation in terms of population. So all of the above is the correct answer. Coming to the AR assertion reason question, the General Assembly, General Assembly is the principal organ of the UN. True, the members of General Assembly are automatically the member of all the other principal organs and specialized agencies of the UN. This is false. It is not automatically. So option is C, A is true, but R is false. Coming to some extra questions for you students. इनको अरेंज करना है हमने क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में, पहले क्या हुआ और बाद में क्या हुआ. एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ एचआरसी, याल्टा कॉन्फ्रेंस, अटलांटिक चार्टर एंड इंडिया ज्वाइनिंग द यूएन. सो इसको आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है और कमेंट सेक्शन में आपने जरूर लिखना है इसका आंसर. वी विल बी राइटिंग द करेक्ट आंसर देयर once we receive some answers. Coming to the last question, that is extra question. Which one of the following is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council? Russia, India, China और France. इसमें से बहुत ही easy question है. I think many of you will be able to answer in the comment section. Teachers, we have teachers assistance program for you from Ecovisionaire. Here you will be getting access to all the study material which our team makes. We have 4 subjects here right now: economics, business studies, pol science and social science. For annual membership, you can contact 9953682860. And also students, we have uploaded various tests for the first term. We have uploaded MCQ based test, around 5 to 10 tests of each subject. So you can just download the Ecovisionaire app and attempt those tests and know where you stand. For the second term and any personal coaching or group tuitions, you can contact the given number. Subjects offered are political science, economics and business studies. Thank you. All the best for your exams. Take care.